So I found a way to get paid every single month through investing in the stock market, and that is through investing in dividends. So if you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, you guys might be really lost about creating passive income for yourself, creating dividend income for yourself. So what I recommend, jump into the description box and use either Robinhood or M1 Finance. Both are completely free and beginner friendly, and just follow along. You guys don't even have to invest if you don't want to. You guys can just see my performance over the years, over the last year, and I believe eventually you guys will want to do this yourself just to test it out. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, I'm going to be going over all of my dividend investing portfolios so you guys can see what I buy every single week. So we are going to start off with the Robinhood Challenge portfolio. Every single week, I deposit $300 into this account, and I try to grow my portfolio as big as I can. I'm mainly investing in dividend paying stocks. So every stock that I buy, every stock that I own, they're paying me money as a shareholder of that company to just hang on to them, just to be invested in them. So let's take a look at that portfolio right now. It is sitting at $9,366. When I first started this, I started with zero, exactly $0. And through experimenting with different strategies, I found this strategy to work out the best for me. And that is just to consistently invest either $100 a week, $200 a week, and now I'm investing $300 every single week. So ever since I started this experiment, I'm up 18%, $1,400. You guys can scroll all the way back into my older videos to see exactly where I started. And it's pretty embarrassing because that person did not know as much as I do now. And, you don't know what you don't know. So if you guys are into day trading, penny stock trading, most likely you guys failed at that, and that is why you're kind of looking at different things to invest in. And I'm telling you, dividend investing is a lot safer than that. Let's take a look at some of the dividend stocks that I bought this week. This week, I only bought 3 dividend stocks, and the first one is Realty Income. I buy this almost every single week for the past month now. I bought 1 share. This stock is a REIT. This company invests in real estate across America, and now they're expanding internationally. And every time this company collects rents, creates profits, they share those profits with the shareholders. And that is how I generate income, dividend income, every single month. Right now, it is a little bit high, so just be aware of that. $78 for 1 share of Realty Income. The next stock that I bought this month is SPHD, PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. That is a mouthful. So I bought 5 shares at $41.70. I've also been buying this every single week. This is the biggest position in my portfolio. I own 45 shares. Almost $2,000 in equity. Again, this is a monthly paying dividend stock, and it is relatively safe compared to a lot of the other investments that I am making. So when I first started, you can see that I did not make that much, only 14 cents. So as I slowly bought more and more of this company, I'm eventually seeing just under $5 every single month. And imagine if I continue doing this for a few more years, I could potentially see hundreds of dollars every single month just investing in this one stock. Potentially. That is the main word here, potentially. This last stock is a lot riskier than SPHD and Realty Income. This is AGNC Investments, and I bought 1 share at $16.16. And long story short, if you guys aren't into riskier investments, then this is not the stock for you. I recommend you guys to take a look at index funds. Those are a lot safer, and ETFs are a lot safer as well. So I think the main difference from penny trading, day trading, swing trading, and all that stuff, those guys, they live a very stressful life. And when I started dividend investing, in the beginning, it was a little bit confusing because honestly, I did not know what I was doing. So what I decided to do was just invest in index funds. And after I got more confident in that, that's when I started to just start picking some of the stocks myself. And that's what led me down this path. Year to date, I've made over $300 in dividends, and the year's not over yet. So I think by the end of this year, I'll probably make well over $400 worth in dividends. And as I'm scrolling through, you guys can see that there are $12 dividends sometimes, $16 dividends sometimes, and again, there are some dividends where I'm collecting 1 cent here. But I have adjusted my portfolio to the point where I'm keeping a relatively strong holding of just 10 different stocks, 11 different stocks. So I don't like to just have all of my eggs in one basket. So that's why I kind of test out different brokerages and try to find out the best one to use. And so far, I'm liking M1 Finance. This is the Wang Gang portfolio. A lot of you guys follow me for the M1 Finance portfolio updates. So here we go. Right now, the portfolio is at $4,826.29. Total gain so far is $122, 7.5% gains. And the main number I want you guys to pay attention to is earned dividends. So this is the dividends I've earned ever since opening this portfolio, ever since investing in this portfolio since March 13, 2019. And, capital gains, market gains, they're all right. They're a cherry on top. That's not the main objective here when it comes to my strategy and my goal. My main objective here is to increase my earned dividends every single month. For this last month, let's take a look at, in the last month, I've made $15.33, not doing anything. This is money that I did not have to work for. This is what I want you guys to have in your mind when you start investing. You want your money to work for you. There's only so many hours in the day that you can, have the energy to wake up every morning, drive to work, you put in your hours, drive back home, spend time with your family, eat, sleep, repeat. There's only a limited amount of money there that you can make. But if you find a way to create this dividend income where you invest a little bit of money every single week, and this money will just continue to generate money for you, then that is going to be the main goal. That's my main way of creating wealth. So I can buy stuff that I don't really need, so I can travel places that I don't really need to go. And if you guys are interested in doing that, links are in the description. So the special thing about M1 Finance is that they have a dividend reinvestment program, also known as DRIP. And basically that just means that all of this money that I earn from dividends gets reinvested into the stocks that, into the portfolio that I created. And just to let you guys know that I'm not lying, let's take a look at the dividends that I've received from all of my stocks that I own. Just in the month of October, I've probably already made just under $7-ish from my investments. Coca-Cola, Vanguard, these ETFs has paid me some money as well. HP, Altria, Philip Morris. I have finally started to see some of the returns from all of the money that I've invested many months ago. And when I first started this, it was a grind. But now that I'm continually to invest a lot more money now, a lot of this has started to speed up. So for the last brokerage that I'm using, I am investing with Vanguard. This is my Roth IRA, and it is a total of almost $12,000. This has been my biggest investment for the last 2 years when it comes to investing in the stock market. And if you guys want to dive deeper into my Roth IRA, I made a dedicated video here. But in today's video, I just want to, just go over this and let you guys know that it is possible to make money in the stock market. The stock market is just not going to steal your money away, but it definitely can, because there are some days where I would buy a stock and right after I buy it, it would just go down. And there are some other days where I would sell a stock because I thought it was high and it would just keep going up. Some stocks that did that to me were Tesla and a bunch of other stocks. So when it comes to my Roth IRA Vanguard account, I'm using the lazy man's portfolio strategy. And that is just me. When it comes to my investments, I do not want to put thousands of hours into it every single year. I literally check this account maybe a few times a month. And when I look at the performance year to date, I'm up over $1,000 on this portfolio as well. And so now I'm seeing money coming in from my Robinhood account, M1 Finance account, and Vanguard account, and my real estate investing. If you guys want to know more about my real estate investing, go check out the playlist here. So these are some of the ways that I generate income away from my day job and away from my YouTube hustle, side hustle. And what I want to ultimately do is retire before I'm 40 years old, before I'm too old to even be able to enjoy my money. If you guys are on this same path to wanting to create dividend income, passive income, drop a like so I know exactly what you're all about. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions for me. Watch these videos here if you guys are interested in more about dividend investing, real estate investing. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a like, hit the notification. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love your 3000. Bye-bye.